Liko tayo sa kanan, dyan sa may stop sign. Traffic light pala, sorry. Okay, mag-ingat ka lang. Tingnan mo kung may taong tumatawid.
Straight lang.
Straight lang, Okay, i-pick up mo lang yung speed mo. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Ay, ate.
Huwag kang kabahan.
Straight lang, ate.
Straight lang, Marie. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Hindi, ate.
Huwag kang kabahan, basta relax ka lang, ha? Okay, straight lang tayo. So, pag may school bus, tingnan mo lang kung nagpa-flash, pero ngayon naka-stop naman siya, so you can go. Okay, so stop all the way ulit.
Straight lang, ate.
Straight lang. Ayan, so medyo i-pick up mo yung speed mo dito.
40 pala dito.
Okay, so pag nakita mo yung sign na yan, school zone, so medyo kailangan tingnan mo yung paligid mo kasi baka may tumatawid na bata.
Maraming salamat sa Smart Driving School for making me comfortable sa first driving lesson ko. And marami akong natutunan, and yung mga instructors, they're very friendly and nakakatawa sila pag nagtuturo.
Hi, thanks for Smart Driving. I passed the test. Sana dito na ako unang nag-register for my lessons because I've been through different schools and I failed. And I passed here. Smart Driving, thank you so much.